નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, કિશોર ગજેરા યુટ્યુબ ચેનલમાં આપ સૌનું સ્વાગત છે. આપણે અભ્યાસ કરી રહ્યા છીએ ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ એકાઉન્ટ ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ એનો એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 10. On 1/4/20, Sri Lakshmichand had 12% 50,000 face value bonds of government, of which capital value was 44,889. એટલે opening balance face value 50,000 and capital value 44,889 are investment account ની debit side. Rate of interest 12%. Interest is payable on 31st March and 30th September, 31st 3 and 30th 9. Date of interest. Transaction for the year ended 31st March 21 whereas fall under date, face value, price and remarks. First of all, purchase cum interest, purchase ex interest, purchase ex interest. 3 are purchased. After that, sell ex interest, sell cum interest, sell ex interest. 3 sales. Prepare investment account for the year ended 31st March 21. Here also not given the brokerage. First of all, 1620 40,000 into 92% is equal to 36,800. Cum interest minus interest 40,000 into 12% into 16 to 31st March, April, May 2 month. $800 and 36,000 is the capital value. After that, 1820 purchase ex interest 30,000 into 93% is equal to 27,900, and the 27,900 is the capital value because purchase ex interest. Interest 30,000 into 12% into 31st March to 18 April, May, June, July 4 month, 4 upon 12 is equal to 1,200. Third purchase 1920. First of all, 20,000 94%, 20,000 into 94% is equal to 18,800, and 18,800 is the capital value because purchase ex interest. Now interest is equal to 20,000 into 12% into 31st March to 19 5 month, 5 upon 12 1,000. These 3 are purchase. Now 31st October 2020 sell ex interest. First of all, 30,000 into 103 is equal to 30,900. Ex interest means without interest. This is also capital value minus cost price. અહીંયા તમને કોઈ મેથડ કીધી નથી એટલે FIFO મેથડનો યુઝ કરાય. આ ઓપનિંગ બેલેન્સ માંથી હોય. ઓપનિંગ બેલેન્સ 50,000, એની કોસ્ટ પ્રાઇસ છે 44,889, તો આ 30,000 ની કોસ્ટ પ્રાઇસ કેટલી? 26,933. 3,967 is the profit. And finally, interest is equal to 30,000 into 12% into 30th 9 to 30th 10 is equal to 1 month. 300. Second sale 30th 11/20 sale cum interest 30,000 into 105% is equal to 31,500. Cum interest means with interest minus interest 30,000 into 12% into number of month 13th 9 to 30th 11 10 and 11 2 month 600 30,900 is the capital value minus cost price. ઓપનિંગ બેલેન્સ 50,000 એમાંથી એક આ 30,000 ની સિક્યુરિટી વેચાઈ એટલે ઓપનિંગ બેલેન્સ માંથી વધે 20,000 ની એટલે આ જે 30,000 છે એમાં ઓપનિંગ બેલેન્સ માંથી 20,000 ની હોય અને બાકીની 20,000 આમાંથી હોય ફર્સ્ટ પરચેઝ માંથી એટલે ઓપનિંગ બેલેન્સ વાળો સ્ટેપ આવું મુકાય કે 50,000 ની કોસ્ટ 44,889 તો આમાંથી 20,000 ની કોસ્ટ કેટલી એન્ડ સેકન્ડ સ્ટેપ 40,000 ની કોસ્ટ 36,000 તો આમાંથી 10,000 ની સિક્યુરિટી હોય એને કેટલી આવી રીતના 50,000 માંથી 17,956 અને 40,000 માંથી 9,000 total 26,956 and the difference is 3,944 is the profit. And finally last step 20,000 106% is equal to 21,200. X interest means this is also cost price capital value minus cost price. ફરી વખત સમજો ઓપનિંગ બેલેન્સ 50,000 એમાંથી આ 30,000 અને આમાં 20,000 એટલે ઓપનિંગ બેલેન્સ પૂરેપૂરી વેચાઈ ગઈ. હવે આ જે સેકન્ડ સેલ છે એ આ ફર્સ્ટ પરચેઝ માંથી 10,000 હોય તો બાકીના 30,000 એ આ 20,000 માં હોય એટલે જે આ સેકન્ડ થર્ડ સેલ છે એ ફર્સ્ટ પરચેઝ માંથી હોય એટલે 40,000 ની કોસ્ટ 36,000 તો એમાંથી આ 20,000 ની કોસ્ટ કેટલી means 18,000 and the profit is 3,200 and finally interest 20,000 into 12% into 30th 9th to 31st January 10 11 12 and 1 4 month 800 and finally prepare investment account debit side 1/420 to balance BD 50,000 44,889 44,889 then to 1/420 accrued interest to accrued interest into bracket 50,000 into 12% into last interest received on this security was 31st March and now 1/420 means 0 month and amount is dash. બરાબર યાદ રાખજો અહીંયા accrued interest 0 month નો આવશે કારણ કે લાસ્ટ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ ને 31/3 મળી ગયો છે અને આ 1/4 આપણે ઓપનિંગ બેલેન્સ ડેબિટ સાઈડ લાવી છે એટલે અહીંયા accrued interest આવશે 0. After that first purchase 1620 debit side 1620 20 to bank account into bracket purchase cum interest, face value 40,000, interest 800 and capital value 36,000. Second purchase also debit side 1820 to bank account purchase X interest, 30,000 is the face value, interest 1,200, capital value 27,900. Third purchase 1920 also debit side 1920 to bank account purchase X interest, 20,000, interest 1,000 and capital value 18,800. Now sale of 31st October, before sale 30th 9 interest credit side 30th 920 by bank account into bracket interest received 50,000 plus 40,000 plus 30,000 plus 20,000 is equal to 1,40,000. Interest on 1,40,000 into 12% into 6 months is equal to 8,400. Now 31st October 20 sell X interest credit side 31st October 20 by bank account into bracket sell X interest 30,000, interest 300, capital value 30,900 and profit at debit side 3,967. 31st October 22 profit and loss account into bracket profit. After that 30th November 21 sell cum interest credit side 30th November 20 by bank account sell cum interest 30,000 is the face value, interest 600 and capital value 30,000 also 900. Profit 3,944 at debit side 3,944 31st 11/20 to profit and loss account into bracket profit and finally 31st January 21 sell credit side 31st 1/20 sorry not 2021 by bank account into bracket sell X interest 20,000 is the face value, interest 800 and capital value 21,200. 3,200 is the profit and profit at debit side 3,200. 31st January 21 to bank profit and loss account into bracket profit. Finally credit side 31st March 21 by bank account into bracket interest received. હવે આ 31/3 વાળો ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ મળશે First of all, total of the debit side 1,40,000 and difference at the credit side and the difference is 60,000 and interest received also on 60,000 at 12% at 6 months is equal to 3,600. 31st March 21 by balance CD debit side of the capital value total 1,38,700 1,38,700 and difference at the credit side 55,700. Total of the credit side 13,700 interest and dividend and difference at the debit side 10,700. 31st March 21 to interest and dividend account. Thank you very much, friends.